Good morning. I just want to explain today's trade a bit like Groundhog Day again. I know it's probably getting boring, but the point is to make you aware that this is a daily occurrence. We're just looking for the patterns. Apologies for all the lines on here, but as you know, that's my template. There's yesterday's low. Now we're looking at pound yen, and I've included the actual trade here as well to show you that you've got an open time, 2 hours difference. So 7:40 was the open time. What was the close time? 7:46. Yeah, just after 7:46. So 6 minutes in the trade. I didn't get a chance to put the stop loss on. Normally I always enter my trade and then place I use a script, just drag and drop script, which puts my take profit on there. And quite frankly, I should have put the stop loss on there, but I didn't get round to it because I was more interested in trying to define where I wanted to take my profit. I'd seen this massive drop here on pound yen. I mean, we're talking about 25 pips, 50 pips, 75 pips, 100 pips in 15 minutes. No idea why. If you count it from there, it's nearly 120 pips. No idea why. There was no news on the calendar. So there is news due for this pound yen, which was why I initially discounted it and just concentrated on US CAD and Euro dollar. But because I was up at 5 o'clock in the morning with the sunrise in the UK in the summer at the moment, and I noticed this big drop go on the pound yen and the euro yen. So I was then in a mindset just to wait for this to pull back and take this trade. So that was it, really. It was a combination of, every box is ticked. You've got yellow below purple, which is great, so we're looking for shorts. This is a gimme, really. This is a bonus, a Brucey bonus, because massive move means likely pullback. And then with this moving so drastically, there's a good 10-15 pip opportunity just to retest this level of support that's caused this pullback. So then we just wait for the rest of the boxes to be ticked, which is the CCI8 to reverse to the oversold area, which we've got there, you can clearly see. Then the CCI80 to produce what I call the cup, as you know, which is the new lower bar. Notice you've got no new lower bars here, corresponding with the oversold here. So we're just waiting for the oversold to show, the CCI80 to show a bigger number like this one here. Remember, we can't trade until that's closed, because that won't be a bigger number until it's closed. That's very important. Same here. This is showing a lower number, which is huge. I mean, it sticks out like a sore thumb. So it's a question of just take the trade, which I did at that point there. So that's faint, if you can see it, faint dotted line was about the entry level, really. And then just go for my 8 or 9 pips. In this instance, I went for a little bit more. That was the initial area that my take profit level went on. That's why that's shown there. There would have been a little white dash up here somewhere if I'd put a stop on, but I calculated this was the sensible area for a stop loss for this. And as we can see, the price did bounce after I'd taken my profit, after I was out of the trade, and it still didn't take that profit out. The reason for that stop loss guesstimate was because this is a massive area of resistance, acts as support lower down here. So it's a sort of, as long as you're fairly well above that area, then you're safe, or relatively safe. Bearing in mind you've got all these different reasons for taking the short trade. So it is a combination of stacking up all the different tick boxes before we take the trade, obviously, and that's what I do every morning. And the price is dropping down again, so it could push a lot further down, but coulda, woulda, shoulda isn't what we do here. It's just about taking the It's just about having a set of rules and ticking the boxes. Yellow below purple, CCI 8 pullback, CCI 80 trigger, take the trade. Don't be greedy. There's no need. You know, you could have gone for more, presumably. Well, it's going down a bit now, but I'm not worried about that. Just chunk out the trades every day. Thanks for watching.